Yo, what is up guys, Chestamite, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be riding around a little bit. I tightened my chain earlier. It's a lot better. Don't hear it click anymore. I might need to tighten it a little bit more still, but it feels a lot better. I'm also going to be changing the camera settings for this video. So you guys will notice that it's in max view mode. And that should give you guys a better view of what's going on. I don't know if you guys can see the bike or not, but I just want to get out and ride, test it out a little bit, see what it looks like. Next video will be wheelie practice day 2 video. That will come out day after you guys see this video come out, in theory, if all goes according to plan. Alright, let's get riding. It's a little chilly out. Whew. Man, it really is cold. Alright. I don't know which way I want to go exactly. I guess I'll just go this way. But yeah, battery is fully charged right now. So, nice and peppy. And tightened chain, I definitely notice it with the acceleration. And letting off the throttle. When I would let off the throttle before, the chain would click. But now when I let off, I don't hear it. Like, nope, don't hear it. Very nice, very nice. Very nice thing to do. I forgot to check my rear tire pressure. It feels a little low. Not too bad, but it does feel a little low, so. Just wonder how this looks for you guys. Because hopefully it gives you a bigger view of what's going on. I'm not sure though. Rained again, or I mean, it snowed last night, even though the weather predicted nothing. Weather has just been absolutely bipolar. Doesn't know to make up its mind, but I guess that's springtime. 1 second it's 40 degrees in the middle of the day and snowing at night, and the next second it's 71 degrees in the middle of the day and nice and clear. It's very bipolar. Weather's gonna be getting warmer. Tomorrow's gonna be a lot warmer. Perfect day for wheelie practice today. It's cold. And it's already getting late. And yeah, I wanna be out there when it's a little bit warmer. I'm not trying to get too cold. Whew. Alright. So much nicer at the tightened chain. Turn her around. These tires handle pretty well in the loose dirt. Not too bad. Definitely handles better. A little bit better in slightly wet conditions. Let me just check tire pressure real quick. Yes, fine. Alright. Back on. I'm thinking of doing a little bit of change soon. I think I'm gonna get a smaller sprocket, just so that the bike goes a little bit faster. It'll have a little bit less torque, but I'm hoping that might make it easier to wheelie, so there's a little bit more, room for error when I whip the throttle. I won't just immediately loop it out of existence. I'll go this way. But yeah, bike, tighten the chain, much better. Let's see. Let off. Nope, no click. Absolutely amazing. But boy, it is cold today. Thank God. It's gonna be like 60, I think, tomorrow. And then after it's gonna be 65, and after that's gonna be 71. So it's finally gonna be warm again. Even though, like 4 days ago, it was that warm. I was wearing a sweater and my regular dirt biking gloves, not my snow gloves. And then, boom, weather just changed like crazy. It snowed 2 days in a row. Like overnight, it was super strange. The bike is absolutely cruising right now. We're going about, let's see, 40. It's probably like 38 miles per hour. So yeah, I'm thinking 54 tooth. Give me a little bit more go, and that'll be nice. Hopefully get me up to like 39, 40 miles per hour. Because when I upgraded the tires, they're a little bit heavier. And so when you put more mass on the tires, that slows you down. Motor's gotta turn more mass, when you're heavier on the bike, yeah, that affects it. But when you have more mass on the tire, that affects it more. So some people would only upgrade their tires to these 244s if they're doing a power upgrade, which understandable. I definitely lost like a mile per hour, mile and a half per hour of speed. But I mean, it's worth it. These tires handle everything very well, and they've lasted very, very long. You know, they handle amazing. Dirt and on-road, mainly on-road, which is will hopefully keep them lasting longer in general. They're intended for on-road. I'm not sure though. Alright, late day. Here we are at the spot I was practicing wheelies the other day. So right here, I think I had the GoPro set up when you guys were getting the out of view shots. Yeah, so right here, put the camera right here. Anyways, that's where we are. Right here at the end of this long road. Let's just pop one real quick. See, like I just get the wheel up, and then that's it. Nothing else. It just barely gets up. I think I'm just too scared. Yeah, no, I just don't have it in me yet. Hopefully yet. Oh, God, it's cold. I really don't want to go too far. I'll just go right up here real quick, and then we'll go over there. Whew. See how this is doing. Yep, little stream is here. Beautiful little place. Very nice. Let's pop down right here. Am I even gonna have? Yeah, we're good. That's why you wear snow boots, because I'm not worried about getting wet. Yeah, no bike's gonna fall over. Come on. Alright, there we go. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I know it was a little short. I just want to make a little bit of video. You know, I just want to try out the GoPro settings. Talk about my chain being tightened. I think I need to tighten a little bit more. It's pretty good though. It's not as loose as before. But anyways, thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Next video is going to be wheelie practice day 2, because that video is getting a lot of attention. So day 2 will be coming out after this one. And thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and let me know anything down in the comments below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.